In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix an eSIM not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, navigate to the option Mobile Data or Cellular. Over here, you'll see your list of SIMs. Select the eSIM that's not working. Make sure turn this line is enabled. If it's already on, toggle it off, wait a few seconds and then toggle it back on. This refreshes your eSIM connection. Now choose how you want the eSIM to be used. For mobile data, select your eSIM. For default voice line, you can also set the eSIM as the default. If it's still not working, quickly force restart the device. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. Release it when you see the Apple logo. Your iPhone will reboot, and this often fixes eSIM issues. And that's it. With these simple steps, your eSIM should be working again on an iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.